Hi, it's Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walk around. This is the 2019 the Ford F-150. Stock number is, standby, T20109. Let's show you this F-150 up close and personal, shall we? As opposed to looking at static photos. This is the Sport Edition. We're going to show you the exterior and then put you on the interior in just a second. We have a huge selection of quality pre-owned F-150s, and this is just one example of that. Traveling with friends or family and you need to ride in the rear? Well, guess what? Look at all that ample leg room. Does have the power rear slider. Super low miles on this truck. And let's put you in the driver's seat and show you the accessibility to all the controls within arm's length. I like that. I'd turn the radio up if I was driving this truck right now. For more information on this F-150 or any others in our inventory, give us a call, email us, text us, better yet, come on down. We'd love to meet you in person and hopefully earn your business. We hope you've enjoyed this virtual video walk around. Make it a great day.
Sunset Ford of Sumner, right on Highway 410. You just get more at Sunset, and people do like that.